Once upon a time, in a tranquil village nestled among the rolling hills, there lived a wise Zen master named Yuki. Yuki was known throughout the land for his profound wisdom and his ability to teach others the art of using their minds to find peace and enlightenment. Yuki's story began like that of any other villager. He was born into a simple family and grew up surrounded by the beauty of nature. As a young boy, he was inquisitive and had a mind that seemed to always wander. His curiosity often led him deep into the forest, where he spent hours observing the ways of nature and pondering the mysteries of existence. One day, as Yuki sat by a babbling brook, he had a profound realization. He understood that the chaos in his mind was like the turbulent waters of the brook, and that to find peace, he needed to learn how to calm those waters. Yuki decided to embark on a journey to find a master who could teach him the secrets of the mind. Yuki's journey took him to distant monasteries and temples where he studied under various Zen masters. He learned the art of meditation, mindfulness, and the power of focus. However, he felt that he hadn't yet found the answers he sought. Years passed, and Yuki continued his quest. He wandered deep into the mountains, seeking solitude and self-discovery. It was during this time that he met an old hermit named Ishiro. Ishiro lived in a secluded cave, surrounded by the serene beauty of the mountains. Yuki, humbly approaching Ishiro, asked, "Master, I have traveled far and wide to learn the secrets of the mind. Can you teach me how to find peace and enlightenment?" Ishiro smiled and replied, "Yuki, you have already taken the first step by seeking the answers within. The mind is like a clear pond, but it gets disturbed by the ripples of our thoughts and desires. To find peace, you must still the waters of your mind." With those words, Ishiro guided Yuki in a new way of thinking. Instead of seeking answers outside, Yuki was encouraged to look within, to observe his thoughts without judgment, and to understand that the mind was like a vast sky, where thoughts, like clouds, would come and go. Over the years, Yuki practiced diligently, sitting in meditation for hours each day. He learned to let his thoughts flow like a river, accepting them without attachment or resistance. He realized that true peace and enlightenment were not about controlling the mind, but allowing it to be as it was, free from the turbulence of desires and fears. One day, as Yuki sat in deep meditation, he felt a profound sense of stillness and oneness with the universe. He had discovered the art of using his mind to find peace, and it was a revelation that transformed him. Yuki returned to the village as a Zen master, teaching others the wisdom he had gained. He shared the story of his journey and the lesson he learned from Ishiro. The villagers, too, began to find peace in their minds and hearts, understanding that true enlightenment lay in embracing the stillness within. And so, the story of Zen Master Yuki and his journey to find inner peace became an enduring legend, reminding people that the path to enlightenment was not in controlling the mind, but in letting it be, like a calm pond, reflecting the beauty of the world around it.